Gentlemen, here's a bold claim. These are 10 surefire ways to make any girl fall in love with you fast. Skeptical? Perfect. This isn't about getting her to like you or just noticing you. No, we're leveling up. We're talking full-on love, the kind that makes her text you first, plan the next date, and maybe even introduce you to her friends, all before the weekend is over. Sounds possible? Stick around, and we'll prove you wrong. And because love can be a double-edged sword, we'll also reveal the one mistake that guarantees she'll want nothing to do with you. Ready to dive in? Let's go. 10. Keep yourself busy. Listen, guys, before you expect anyone else to fall for you, you've got to fall for yourself. And how do you do that? By getting busy. Tackle that to-do list. Hit the gym. Master a new skill, or even chase that promotion. The message here? You're someone who gets things done. When a girl sees you thriving and focused, it signals one thing: long-term potential. No one falls for a guy without drive or priorities. Wanted to picture a future with you? Show her you're a man with a plan. 9. Truly know yourself. The ancient philosopher Socrates famously said, "The unexamined life is not worth living." And you know what? Girls would agree. While a shallow guy might spark fleeting interest, genuine self-awareness is magnetic. Take time to reflect, challenge your own thoughts, and confront your insecurities. It's tough work, sure, but confidence born from self-discovery? That's irresistible. 8. Master the art of being a gentleman, not just gentle. The whole women only like jerks trope? Overplayed and flat out wrong. What they actually want? A gentle jerk. Someone bold and unapologetically authentic, yet caring and supportive. It's about balance. Be her reliable teammate, not a passive pushover. Life's rough sometimes, but with you by her side, she'll feel ready to tackle anything. 7. Speak your truth always. Imagine this. You're debating the coolest land mammal, and she says African elephants. You prefer capuchin monkeys, but agree with her anyway. Why? To avoid conflict. Big mistake. Disagreeing respectfully isn't a weakness. It shows conviction. A girl wants a man who knows his mind and isn't afraid to stand by it. Pushovers, they're not in the running. 6. Be the life of the party. Here's a little secret. Laughter is a cheat code to love. Crack jokes, share memes, and don't be afraid to lean into your goofy side. Laughter releases dopamine, a literal feel-good brain hack. Whether it's through dad jokes or slick one-liners, keep her smiling, and you'll stay unforgettable. Here's where things get real. Stick with me. We're about to break down the final 5 steps and the one deal-breaking mistake that every guy needs to avoid. 5. Give her space to breathe. Think of your budding relationship like a plant. Overwatering it, texting nonstop, making yourself too available can do more harm than good. Instead, give her space to miss you. Stay busy with your own goals and hobbies. This balance not only keeps her intrigued, but also sets a foundation for a long-term connection. She'll appreciate the patience, and you'll keep your emotions in check. It's a win-win. 4. Stay positive always. Nobody likes being around a constant complainer. Negativity is draining. And let's face it, life's too short to be with someone who's always down in the dumps. So learn to look on the bright side, even in tough situations. Optimism is infectious. And when you bring good energy into her life, she'll want to stick around for more. Remember, fun and positivity are magnets for love. 3. Win over her inner circle. Here's a pro tip. You're not just dating her. You're also auditioning for her friends and family. They'll have opinions, and trust me, those opinions matter. Make an effort to get along with her people. Be polite, engaging, and genuinely interested. If her inner circle is singing your praises, she'll start seeing you as more than just a fling. So, pay attention. No, really pay attention. Ever feel like people aren't really listening? Don't be that guy. When she's talking, give her your full focus. Put down your phone, maintain eye contact, and respond thoughtfully. Showing her that she's truly heard isn't just attractive, it's essential. Girls fall for guys who make them feel valued, and listening attentively is one of the simplest ways to do it. 1. Build physical chemistry gradually. Physical touch is a powerful language. Use it wisely. Start small. A light touch on her hand, a playful nudge. If she's comfortable, you'll know it. Gradually, let the chemistry build naturally. When emotions and physical connection align, given a bond that's nearly impossible to break, trust the process and don't rush it. The payoff is worth the patience. The one love killer you must avoid? Here's the deal. Nothing ruins your chances faster than sending unsolicited, inappropriate photos. If you're even thinking about doing it, don't. This one move can turn intrigue into instant disgust. She'll block you, share the cringeworthy moment with her friends, and you'll be the butt of every joke in her group chat. Respect her boundaries or risk losing her forever. Those are our 10 tips for making her fall in love fast, and the one fatal mistake to steer clear of. If you're ready for more game-changing advice, check out these other videos, hit subscribe, smash that like button, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Did you miss anything? Disagree with one of the steps? Let's hear it.